Happy birthday to
Ito muna, sisiyan natin. Ito muna.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the song from tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Si baby na.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow na, blow. Blow, blow na. Please na muna.
Oo, hindi
Blow
pa
na kayo.
makapos.
Blow na. Blow na, blow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Kuya, blow.
Baka mamatay na. Papaanay
Happy
na.
birthday, and the sun from tonight.
Nakakatuwa si baby.
Blow muna, anak. Dali. Blow, kuya. Blow, kuya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Makapagano pa.
Birthday to you.
Paso ah. Blow mo na. Hit mo na. Dali.
Blow mo na.
Dali, ito pa oh. Baby oh, sasindihan ko rin.
Blow,
Blow mo na to.
Blow mo muna, dali. Blow. Blow. Dali, lakas mo. Blow. Aray!
Blow.
Ano na ko, blow? Ganda, look mama. Look mama. Look mama. Look mama, ganda. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, blow mo na. Blow mo na. Blow mo na.
Yay! Yan na si Blake. Ay, tulog na.
Bago ba yan? Ano pa?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Mahangin
Happy
eh. Oh,
birthday. Sa'yo lang sa ako.
Oops.
Ganda ng bagto. Ano yun? Ano yun? Sa karang taon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, hiha.
Blow na, blow. Blow, blow. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow na, kuya.
Blow. Ay! Mapasok ka. Oh. Pangitin mo, Peter, guys. Pangitin mo. Ayan, eh, nakamuso na. Yan na, malapit na.
Blow na, blow. Happy birthday to you.
Ubusin natin yung kandila. Ano ba isa oh?
Sarap na halo niya.
Nakatulog na si baby. Sige na mo, tulog na.
Meron na si Bunsoon.
Happy birthday to you.
Tulog na. Blow mo na daw kasi. Ang tagal mo mag-blow. Yung kapatid mo tulog na lang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ayun na, blow na. Matulog.
Nagagawa kay Bunsoon. Nakatulog na lang. Ang tagal ang pagkain.
Yay!
Blow, blow, blow. Hachong! Yay!
Yay! Oh, tagalin na natin yan.
At yan, ha?
Mabibigyan ko yung plato.
So
Kailan
much
na
who
yun?
loves a new and better chicken nugget.
Ang kandila. Gitna ito, ito. Isang plato na lang kami, ma.
Paano? Dapat kasha ka dyan?
Ganito na lang siya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday